Hi, this is Pooja and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. I know you all love my haul videos. So yes, this is going to be a shopping haul video and I bought some stuff from Forever 21's website. So I'm going to share my shopping experience and the stuff quality and everything related to Forever 21's website. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's start with the first item. The first thing on the haul is this beautiful crop top from Forever 21 and this is in pure cotton fabric. तो जब मैंने इसे देखा था तभी मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा because of the neckline. It's in the square neckline. The color is very lovely. It's in this beautiful blue color and it has these puffy sleeves. Then the pattern on this is so good. Like it's in this polka dot print and then at the back you can see you will get this like a smoke top. So it's in this elastic fabric so that it can give a nice look to your back and it can hug your body very well. And I love the button detailing on the front side of the top. As you can see, there are some beautiful buttons in the same color and the print. Then again you will get some attached inner lining in cotton fabric. So the stitching and finishing is very amazing and so I bought this on sale and I think I bought this around 750 rupees. So exactly this was at 50% discount. So it's a very pretty beautiful top and I love feminine clothing. So Forever 21 offers a lot of feminine clothes. So if you love to wear more feminine clothes, then you can definitely check Forever 21. They have some amazing collection. So I love this top. The quality is amazing and the print, the look, everything is just superb. Like the fabric is very skin friendly and I love the fact that they always offers amazing deals and discount on their website. So or when they have some amazing deals going on, you can definitely check out at that time. The prices really go down. So the next thing I bought is this beautiful crop top in this pink and yellow floral pattern. I just love this top and it has this tie-up detailing on shoulders and it looks so pretty. I'm in love with this top. You can style this with your denim skirts or with your denim shorts. This is going to look amazing with any sort of bottom. I mean something which has flare or something which is more on a baggy side because this is body hugging. So yes, it's in this. So it's a very lovely crop top and it has this elastic pattern at the back so that you will feel comfortable in this. And also इसके अंदर inner lining भी है and it's in this amazing fabric. I think it's in this polyester fabric. So अगर ये किसी और fabric में होता तो और अच्छा होता. So I love the floral print and the pattern on this. This is so pretty and I just love the color combination. Like it has all those beautiful colors, pink, yellow. This is so appropriate for summers. But sadly हम घर पे ही बैठे हैं. It's a lockdown, so we can't go outside and wear these lovely outfits. So I'm waiting for this corona to go so that हम normal life जी सकेंगे पहले जैसे. Anyway, this top is very beautiful. I just love this top and the print detailing. Everything is just amazing. So this was not an offer and I got this on its MRP. So actually this was a bit expensive but this is totally worth the money as I love the color print. So I was ready to pay the full amount for this lovely crop top. So yes, moving on to the next product. Okay, so next is this gorgeous top in this plunge neckline and you have to wear some sort of inner inside this if you are going on some normal public places. Otherwise, if you are going for a party or on some nice places, you can wear this as it is. This is amazing and I just love this top. I mean the color, floral print, every detailing of this top is so beautiful. So you will get this sleeve pattern and यहाँ पे shoulder पे थोड़ा सा puffy detailing है. As you can see, this top is so lovely. It's in this blue color and it's in this blue color. The top is in chiffon fabric and this is thoda sa transparent, so remember this while buying. But chiffon fabric is something like this only. So yes, and the tiny flowers on this look so lovely and at the bottom you will get some bow. And at the bottom you will get this two bells just to tie this in a bow pattern and this will look so pretty. So I just love this top. It's a very beautiful plunge neckline top. I feel bad for us as we live in India and there are a lot of people with sick mentality who actually stare you like anything. So this actually pisses me every time whenever I see something like this and I can't wear it outside. So anyway जब तक लोग अपनी mentality change नहीं कर सकते, we can wear inner inside this. And I don't remember its price. I'll put this on the screen. So yes, very lovely top. Okay, so next I have this very cute, pretty little crop top, and it's in this rainbow color, and it's not in this rainbow color. It has very beautiful purple, bright colors, purple, orange, yellow, and with a combination of white. This looks so nice. Forever 21 की एक बात special है that they play with amazing colors, print, and I love their collection. So it's in this beautiful pattern. So जब ये product आया था ना, मैंने इसे just bed पे रख दिया and my mom was like, I think you got this product in a wrong size because ये किसी baby का top लगता है. But trust me, ये बहुत stretchable है. ऐसे कैसे बहुत ही stretch होता है ये. So buy this according to your size. And Forever 21 का एक drawback है कि उनके पास जो लार्ज साइज अवेलेबल होती है वो है L, large. So they have only 3 sizes with them. That's small, medium, and large. And sometimes extra small is also there, but they don't have their collection but they don't have their products in extra large size. So yes, keep this in mind while shopping. I bought all these products in large size. So again, I bought this on offer, but I don't remember its price. So overall, it's a very nice top. Last is this very pretty sweetheart neckline top. Actually, but जब भी इसे पहनती हूँ, a lot of people ask me that from where I bought this top. So this top I bought from Forever 21, and I wore this top in many of my videos as I love this top. The neckline is very unique, and the shape, the pattern, everything is just perfect, and the way it fits my body, I just love it. So आगे यहाँ पे tie करने के लिए there is something like this. The sleeves are short, they are lovely sleeves. यहाँ पे आगे थोड़ी सी puffy detailing है, and oh my god, the back is so pretty. Like it looks something like this. So the back looks something like this. It's a very amazing and unique bag. The pattern is floral again. It has this beautiful floral detailing, and I love this top. Again, when I bought this, there was no offer, so I bought this on MRP, but it is absolutely worth the money. This is amazing. I love the top, and I receive many compliments whenever I wear it. So yes, you can just go for this. And oh my god, this is so hot here. Like I have to switch off my fan just to shoot this video because हमने जैसे ही शिफ्ट किया था लॉकडाउन हो गया and we can't buy AC now. फैन के साथ ही काम चलाना पड़ रहा है and इसे ऑन करने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइज आती है. So you can see me sweating like a pig here, but what I can do. So yes, real struggle of YouTuber. And I bought some accessories from Forever 21. So let me show you. I bought this lovely hairband. Wait, I'll just remove this. Okay, I bought this lovely hairband, and this is also from Forever 21. I think I bought this for 80 rupees or 180 rupees, something like that. It's a very lovely hairband, and ये इसके साथ match होता है, so मैंने पहन लिया. And I will get some cool accessories on Forever 21. And yes, I bought a set of bracelets. Wait, I'll show you. I bought this 5 set of bracelet. ये actually पूरा एक साथ आया था, pack of 5 bracelets. तो ये ऐसे, ये 3 bracelets ऐसे है, ये 4th one. And this is the 5th one. So as you can see the bracelets are very beautiful. आप इसे एक साथ भी पहन सकते हैं या फिर you can wear this separately. तो ये कुछ ऐसे लगता है. And this is in this. So this is in this orange beaded pattern. एक ये जो गोल्ड एंड ये सब गोल्ड पॉलिश में जो ज्वेलरी होती है वो जल्दी फेड नहीं होती, जैसे मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है. वैसे यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर ज्वेलरी एज वेल. सो दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. अगेन दिस इज़ अमेजिंग, एंड मुझे ऐसा ब्रेसलेट बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था. सो आई लव दिस सेट ऑफ 5 bracelets, and I think this was for 250 or something. Again, I bought this on offer, and there was something like 70% off. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye! We'll see you next time.